How to remove Roblox pin without using your Gmail. So let's follow the steps here on your screen and I will show you the whole process how you can do it. How do I add, change or remove a pin? You have the option to add a 4-digit pin to your account. Then you simply have to log into your account, go to your account setting, and then on the browser find the gear icon located at the upper right corner of the size and mobile apps find three dots icon for more. Select the parental controls tab and toggle button to turn pin on. Create and confirm your pin. Never tell anyone your pin, it's more even important than your password. Now how to remove a pin. To remove it, log into the same account again as you did, then go to the setting of your account. On the browser, you will find it the same place. Select the parental control tab and toggle button to turn the pin off. Enter the current pin and select unlock this. Now your pin will be removed. And this is for changing a pin. To change a pin, first follow the how do I pin or remove a pin steps, then follow how do I set a pin. Thank you so much.